Menardo Ilasco Guevarra, born May 23, 1954, is a Filipino lawyer who served as Solicitor General of the Philippines from 2022 to 2025 under President Bongbong Marcos. He previously served as the Secretary of Justice under President Rodrigo Duterte and as a Commissioner of the Philippine Competition Commission under President Benigno Aquino III. Before joining the government, he was involved in private litigation practice as a founding partner of the Medial de Atabaya Guevarra and Suarez law firm since 1990. He was also an active faculty member at his alma mater Ateneo de Manila University, where he graduated in 1974. Guevarra was born on May 23, 1954 in Malhacan, Macauyan, Bulacan. He attended Macauyan College, formerly Macauyan Institute, and completed his secondary education in 1970. After high school, Guevarra moved to Manila to study at Ateneo de Manila University, where he majored in political science and graduated magna cum laude in 1974. He then enrolled at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and completed his master's degree in economics in 1977. Guevarra then served as a staff economist at the National Economic and Development Authority and the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas while pursuing his law degree at the Ateneo de Manila Law School. He obtained his LLB degree in 1985, graduating with second honors and placed second in the Philippine Bar examination in the same year. He also underwent an intensive practical training in maritime and admiralty law at the Steamship Mutual Underwriting Association Bermuda Limited in London, UK in 1999. Guevarra first worked as an economist after finishing his master's degree in economics in 1977. He joined the National Economic and Development Authority in 1977 and served as a staff economist until 1983. He was then hired by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as a bank economist under its Department of Economic Research from 1983 to 1986. Guevarra's first legal job was as part of the technical staff of the Philippine Constitutional Commission of 1986, hired by the government of President Corazon Aquino to draft the 1987 Constitution of the Philippines. Guevarra started his private law practice as an associate of the Ponce and Real Cayetano Bautista Picazo and Reyes Picabar law offices in Makati in 1987. In 1990, he formed his own law partnership firm based in Ortigas Center, which would later be known as the Medial de Atabaya Guevarra and Suarez MABGS law offices, now simply Medial de Abella Suarez MBS. Since 1990, Guevarra had also been teaching at his alma mater Ateneo de Manila University as a member of the law school faculty. He taught a broad range of subjects, including property, civil procedure, and evidence. Guevarra's work as a private lawyer for more than 30 years involved thousands of cases concerning contract disputes, family and property relations, intracorporate controversies, tax appeals, criminal actions, and legal representation in various regulatory agencies. His clients included well-known personalities such as Sharon Cuneta and Rodrigo Duterte. While teaching at the Ateneo Law School, he was also a lecturer in the Mandatory Continuing Legal Education (MCLE) program of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. He also served as accredited arbitrator of the Philippine Dispute Resolution Center, the arbitration arm of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Legal issue. On October 29, 2018, Senator Leila de Lima filed with Ombudsman Samuel Martires complaints against Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II and Guevarra for violation of Section 10F of RA 6981, the Witness Protection, Security, and Benefit Act. The Ombudsman, however, in 2019 and 2020 dismissed the complaints, which were reversed. This case is remanded to the Office of the Ombudsman for appropriate action. Justice Raymond Reynold Lawigan, CA Special 17th Division, ruled in a decision dated November 21, 2023. Accordingly, de Lima pleaded for the investigation of her cases. Personal life. Guevarra is married to Cynthia, with whom he has 4 children. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.